esta casa hay que hacer siding, o tal vez pintando sirve. Ahorita va a empezar.
Okay. First of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out. Um, my name is Attorney Carl A. Massaro Jr. as on the sign here. I'm appointed by the Superior Court to auction this property, 155 Russell Road, Connecticut, today at noon or thereabouts. So everybody, there are 10 bidders, 9 of you here. If you registered with me, I gave you a card with a number, okay? And I should also have given you a sheet called notice. Everybody got a sheet. Got a sheet, we got a sheet. We all got a sheet. Did you get a? Did you?
No,
register?
you didn't give me.
Did you register?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Khan?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
Thank
Mr. Albert, you got it? Carol's have it. You didn't register. You didn't
No.
register. Okay. All right. So before I begin the auction, I am going to read the notice.
En la semana. En la semana.
Again, I introduced myself. And so pursuant, got to get out of this. All right. Pursuant to the judgment of the foreclosure of sale rendered by the Superior Court for the Judicial District of Fairfield at Bridgeport in the case of PHH Mortgage Corporation versus the widower, heirs, creditors of Barbara Bennett and others. And the docket number in Bridgeport is CV 24-6139039. The property known as 155 Russell Road, Stratford, Connecticut, being sold at public auction today, Saturday, June 21st, 2025 at 12 noon. In the handout, the legal description of the property is given to you. I'm not going to recite that. Sale is subject to approval by the Superior Court. Following the auction, I prepared documents and some motions. I file them with the court this week. Court will schedule it to be heard. Court will review the my report of the sale and will either approve it or not. If they don't approve it, there could be a resale. Uh, We'll see where it goes and what the judge decides to do. Anyone wishing to participate in the bidding except the foreclosing plaintiff, which is the bank, must register with me before the auction and present to me the certified or bank check in the amount of $41,500. 9 of you have done that, so you're registered to vote. Qualified bidders are issued numbers. You got them, and bidding is conducted and reported by those numbers. I collect the deposit checks, which I have, and the successful bidder is required to sign the check over to the clerk of the Superior Court. You will also sign a sale agreement. Depending on what the price is, I'll fill out those terms. I will sign it on behalf of the court. You will sign it as a successful bidder. I'll give you a copy before you leave. The property is being sold as is, subject to no contingencies. The committee I make no express or implied warranties concerning the property's condition. No adjustments will be made for defects discovered after the sale. No representations are made about the environmental condition of the property. All bids must be based on your own information and knowledge learned through your own efforts and not any representation or comments by me, the committee. Property is sold free and clear of liens being foreclosed and of all interest subsequent in right to that lien. Property is being sold subject to taxes. In my report, I've indicated that there's unpaid taxes of $2,357.02. It's based on information from the tax collector's office in Stratford. Subject to accuracy. The law is a funny thing. If they tell me, no, they were 10,000, I can't be responsible for that. They can't be responsible for that. You will be. Also, water and sewer charges. I have no information on the water account. They may have been a party to the action, I'm not sure. But there is a sewer use bill owed currently of $670.26. You'd be responsible to pay that when you close on title if you're the successful bidder. Of course, July is coming. We all know that that's the next installment of taxes, not affected by this sale, but you will be obligated to pay those. Also, auctioning the property subject to building and zoning regulations of the city of Stratford. All building lines, easements, restrictions, and other matters concerning this property which appear of record. The rights of any person in possession or occupancy of the property have not been made parties to this foreclosure action. The right of the United States to redeem the property if applicable under federal law. Any other liens on this property which have not been foreclosed by this action. The successful bidder must record the deed, the committee deed, within 30 days of the closing. I've added some additional information on Schedule B. Number one, that entry upon the premises is at your own risk. I've also again indicated the real estate taxes from the town of Stratford are estimated only a payment of $2,357.02 plus accruing interest is overdue to the town. The sewer use charge of $670.26 is past due and accruing interest for the records of the Stratford tax collector. The successful bidder will assume responsibility to pay any outstanding tax and sewer use charges in addition to the balance of the bid amount if the sale is approved by the Superior Court. There are no contingencies of any type, no contingency for financing, for physical inspection of the property, or public records search. All right, so that's the notice. You all know what's going to happen next. We're going to start a bidding process. And when you submit a bid to me, I'm going to ask you to state your bidder number and the amount that you want to bid. I'm not going to ask not initially for any incremental increase over the prior bid. Leave it totally to your discretion how much you want to bid over the current bid. I will ask you to recite your bid clearly and distinctly as to the amount. Don't shorten the phrase, say it in full. So for instance, if you want to bid, somebody bids $1 million and the next person wants to bid $1,200,000, say bidder number 11 bids $1,200,000. Don't say $1,200,000. I'm going to ask you to clarify that if you don't recite the dollar amount exactly. All right? Everybody good? All right. So bidder number one is the plaintiff, PHH Mortgage Corporation. They have properly submitted a bid to me of $272,500. So that is bid number one, and that that's where we go from there. So at $272,500, is there another bid? Bidder number three.
Number five, 290. 290,000.
Thank you. Number five is at $290,000. Bidder number four, 310,000. Say it,
310,000.
Thank you. We have 310,000. That's the bid. Is there a further bid? $310,000. Bidder number four.
312,000.
I'm sorry, bidder number
Three.
312,000.
Bidder number five, 330,000.
Bidder number five bids 330,000. We have $330,000 bid. We have another bid. It's a nice day. We can hang out for a while. Think about it. Take a look. Comes with beautiful trees, landscaping. We're at 330,000. Bidder number five. Bidder number 7. How much? 332,000. Yes. All right, we have $332,000 in bidder number 7. So we have a further bid.
Mennyi a következő, mit szeretnél?
Number 5, going up to 340,000.
Bidder number 5 bids 340,000. We have 340,000 as the bid. Current bid 340,000. Any further interest? About 340,000. 340. We have 340,000 from bidder number 5. Number 7. 341,000. All right, we have a bid of 341,000 from bidder number 7.
They didn't sell this stuff.
Number 5, 345. 345,000.
Szélezik tisztán.
Bidder number 5 bids 345,000. Bidder number 5, 345,000. Give everybody a chance to digest. We have 345,000. Is there a further bid? Bidder number 5 is at 345,000. Is there any further interest?
346,000.
Bidder number 7 is at 346,000.
Number 5, 350,000.
A bid of 350,000. Bidder number 5, 350,000 is the bid.
What is our feelings?
Bid is at 350,000 from bidder number 5. We have a further bid. Bidder number 5 at 350,000. Further bid? Any further interest? Now I will ask again. We have a bid of 350,000. Further bid going once. Going twice. All right, I'm closing the auction. A successful bid of 350,000 from bid number 5. Okay,
Thanks.
stay with me. I want you.
What was the final price?
Okay.
Azt a migrem. A Glenwoodra van.
Mr. Khan. Go. I'll take the cost. Thank you. Are you Brian?
Yeah. Sylvester.
Sylvester, that's what I thought.
Take the check. No?
Yeah, I know. All right. Where's Peter?
Okay. You gotta sign it. Sí.
Esta casa se fue por 350. Me encontré aquí a mi amigo. Me encontré a mi amigo. Por tres. What do you think? 350, what do you think?
No, 350 crazy.
What do you think? Mira,
Good house. I think the
my people know you. It's Brian.
live it. They let me live it.
Brian.
But yeah, no, for 350,000 way too
I
much.
could come out here and start slinging with you guys, man.
Right.
Look, I took time off. And look,
$350,000 pagaron por esta casita que necesita trabajo por dentro. Un ranch en Stafford. Necesita un roof, un siding. Eso se fue por mucho dinero. Y aquí ha estado el amigo, miren. ¿Cómo? 350, ¿no?
Sí, 350 ya. Yo digo que si es para vivir,
Tal vez.
sí, les conviene, o sea, para vivir. Pero
Ok, ahorita vamos a ver. Por 350. José is my name.
Jose?
Yes.
Take the card.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
That's you, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's my name.
That's you. Yep. Good. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Así se acabó esto. No, está muy caro, gente. Aquí no. El que haga el flip aquí, si incluso la casa se venda por 500. ah, mira, si incluso la casa se venda por 500, miren, incluso vendiéndose por 500, más o menos, yo pienso que se va a gastar como 70. Pues roof or siding y por dentro. 70 mínimo. 70 más 352 son 420.
420.
El closing cost va a ser como $25,000.
Ya,
Son 445.
ya,
Si se vende por 500, te puedes ganar como 50, 55, 40 tal vez.
tal vez por ahí unos $40,000.
Con una inversión de prácticamente de 420,000, vas a ganar como 10% de tu dinero en 3 meses, 4 meses, 4 o 5 meses.
Ah,
Haciendo un trabajo duro.
siendo de lo mismo.
Ya,
Ya.
poniendo 70,000, pero
Bueno, como que el micrófono de Vicente no funcionaba. No sé cuántas personas están aquí en el live. Por lo pronto, la casa en la que vine para la subasta es esta. Es una casa de 2 familias. Vimos con varias personas de Ganale Al Sol a mirar cómo nos iba con esta subasta. Pero lastimosamente desde el principio estaban muy apretados los números. Y se la llevaron tan solo por $3,000 en la subasta. Pero empezamos con 232, ni 3,000 porque empezó por 232 y se terminó en 234 más o menos. O sea, por $2,000. Pero el problema que tiene esta casa en sí es de que si a lo mejor se la quieren comprar para volverla a vender, tiene un gran problema y es de que la casa no tiene parking. Entonces, sí harían los números siempre y cuando la casa tuviese parking, se podría aún. Pero de esta manera no. También tiene arrendatarios adentro, por lo cual ya saben que eso también es un poco complicado en cuestiones de que si hay que hacer eviction o llegar de alguna manera a una negociación con las personas. Pero yo el problema principal que yo le vi fue ese. Y pagar más de 100,000 por una puerta, yo lo veo como apretado. Y si tomamos en cuenta también de que a lo mejor no sabemos qué se nos espera en esa casa, no sabemos el riesgo que estamos corriendo por lo mismo que está ocupado y no se puede entrar a la propiedad. Pero hemos venido a ver, a coger experiencia. Al final se llevó esta casa un señor de la India y de hecho bueno porque hablamos antes de que se vaya a la subasta y yo le decía eso, de que ya de por sí ya con los números y como para ir subiendo de golpe, pues no, porque al fin y al cabo los que se quedan con el dinero son los bancos y no. Y aparte de eso, es lo que ha pasado en los últimos meses es de que va subiendo el mercado. Entonces, eso fue lo que pasó en esta casa. Se la llevó un señor de la India por 2.34 más o menos. Y pues nada, eso sería todo. Esta es la casa y veremos si para la próxima hay un poquito más de, no de suerte, porque no creo que la suerte exista, pero sí, a ver si tenemos la oportunidad de encontrar una casa en la cual nos vayan a favorecer los números para de esa forma trabajar. Entonces eso sería todo. Vicente se fue, Wilson no sé si entró al live, yo ya entré tarde, pero que todo les vaya muy bien y las personas que quieran aprender estrategias para comprar fuera y dentro del mercado se pueden comunicar aquí con